That's in there. Table of contents in this book is designed to make it look like you're shopping out of a literal herbal apothecary. An apothecary, for those who are not familiar, it's a person who makes their own medicines. So it's really having the ability to grab and create what you need, especially depending on your situation. Now, each recipe has pictures, has instructions, the ingredients, notes, and the dosage instruction. Another great thing is there's an entire section on how to source and gather your own ingredients. Here's the book. In these days and times, every household needs one.